Here's a curious question. How can the food on your plate actually turn into blood inside your body? Sounds impossible, right? But every meal you eat goes through an amazing journey. It's broken down, absorbed, and finally becomes part of the blood flowing in your veins. Let's discover this hidden process, step by step. Journey begins the moment you eat. In the mouth, your teeth crush the food, and your saliva mixes in. This saliva already starts changing starchy foods like bread and rice into sugar. Then food moves into the stomach. The stomach acts like a mixer with strong juices. These juices dissolve the food and break proteins, the stuff in meat, eggs, and beans, into smaller pieces. After a few hours, food becomes a soft paste, ready to move on. Now comes the most important part, the small intestine. Here, food is completely digested. The liver sends bile, which breaks fats into tiny drops, and the pancreas sends juices that cut everything into their smallest building blocks. Carbs become glucose, sugar. Proteins become amino acids. Fats become fatty acids. At this stage, food is no longer food. It's now tiny particles that your body can absorb. So how does it finally become blood? The walls of the small intestine are covered with millions of tiny fingers called villi. These villi are full of very thin blood vessels. When glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids touch them, they slip through and enter the blood. From this moment, your meal is officially part of your blood. The blood then carries these nutrients everywhere, to your brain, muscles, skin, and even to your bone marrow, where new blood cells are made. That's why we say food actually turns into blood. But the story doesn't end there. Once nutrients are in the blood, they travel into your cells. Inside, tiny power plants called mitochondria change glucose and other nutrients into ATP, the special fuel your body uses. This energy lets you walk, talk, study, and even sleep. So now you know, food doesn't just fill your stomach. It is broken down, absorbed into your bloodstream, and finally turned into energy and even new blood cells. Every bite you eat literally becomes part of you. Curious, right? Subscribe to Biochem Beat for more simple science explained with curiosity.